Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create dust coloring for your videos on the CapCut PC. So here you just need to add your clips and then first head to the filter, click on the night scene and then add this nighty night filter to your clips and adjust it to around 80. Okay, like that. So this is enough, but you can always make some further adjustments. So I'm going to just show you. Click on your clip and then go to the adjustment. Now scroll down until you find the saturation. So increase it to 10. Then for the brightness, increase it to around 30. Oops. Okay. Now for the contrast, increase it to 10 and then highlight, lower it to -50 like this. And now for the sharpen, increase it to around 20. Okay, now your video will become like this. Now click on the curves and use this curve for each color. So for the first color, the white one here, okay, you can just follow this curve, but you can always adjust it with your video. So I'm going to make it like this. Okay, now for the red color, okay, I'm going to add the bead in here, put it at the top and then make it like this. Now for the green color, okay, I'm going to make it like this. Okay, lastly for the blue color, okay, add bit in here, add drag it like this. Now add the another one at the top and move it like this. Okay, and after that you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.